Hello students, the question is an AC source V equals to 282 sine 100t volt is connected across 1 microfarad capacitor. The RMS value of current in the circuit will be, take square root 2 equals to 1.41. Option A 10 milliampere, option B 20 milliampere, option C 40 milliampere and option D 80 milliampere. So the problem is based on the topic alternating current and in particular some basic formulae to calculate the RMS value of current. So the given expression is V equals to 282, the voltage equals to 282 sine 100t. So this is the value of the voltage, alternating voltage of the source basically, which is applied across the capacitor. So this is the situation. Here is the capacitor and this is the energizing source. Capacitor is having the capacitance of 1 microfarad and this energizing source is having this particular equation. Now we have to calculate the IRMS value, that is the root mean square current. So to calculate the root mean square current, we have to use the formula IRMS equals to VRMS upon Z, where VRMS is the root mean square value of the voltage and Z is the total impedance. Now in this particular question, the total impedance is only due to the capacitor. There is no other element like a resistor or an inductor here. There is only the capacitor. So this impedance is totally due to this capacitor. So we know that the impedance in the capacitor for only the capacitor is given by X of C is equal to 1 upon omega C. The capacitive reactance is given by 1 upon omega C, where omega is the radiant frequency. If you see this expression and compare this expression with the generalized expression, so V equals to V naught sine omega t, if the phase difference is 0, because in this problem there is no phi. So it means that this is the generalized expression for the voltage. Now this is the radiant frequency omega. If you compare these two equations, you can easily see that omega is equal to 100 radians per second. And V naught is the maximum amplitude. So the maximum amplitude of the waveform is 282. Suppose this is the waveform, this is the waveform. So this is the maximum amplitude. So this is the V naught value. So V naught is known, omega is known. We can put this value of omega here. So omega is 100. So 1 upon 100 multiplied by C. The value of C is given as 1 microfarad, which means that 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. After solving this, this comes out to be 10 raised to the power 4. So this is the capacitive reactance, and we have to put, and this is equal to Z also, because in this case there is only a single component, the capacitor. So this is Z also. So we have to put this value of Z here, but first we have to calculate VRMS. Now to calculate VRMS, we have to know this particular formula, that VRMS for a sine wave is V naught upon root 2. This is the formula for the root mean square value, calculation of the root mean square value, V naught upon root 2. Now the V naught is 282 and it has to be divided by square root 2. So this is our VRMS. Call it as equation 1 and call it as equation 2, and this is equation 3. Now put the values of VRMS and X and Z from equation 1 and 2 in equation 3. So after putting in the third equation, we get IRMS as equal to VRMS, which is 282 upon square root 2 divided by 10 raised to the power 4. This is in ampere. So this comes out to be 282 upon 1.41 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 4 ampere. Now after solving this value, we get the current value in milliampere as 20 milliampere, because this terms becomes 200 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4, which we can write as 20 into 10 to the power minus 3, which is equal to 20 milliampere. So option B is correct here. This is the final answer. तो एक प्रॉब्लम पूछी गई है, एक AC सोर्स गिवन है, इसकी वोल्टेज गिवन है 282 साइन 100t वोल्ट्स, इसे कनेक्ट किया गया है कैपेसिटर के अक्रॉस. हमसे पूछ रहा है RMS वैल्यू ऑफ करंट. तो उसके लिए हमें ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा VRMS अपॉन Z. यहाँ पे केवल एक ही कंपोनेंट है कैपेसिटर, तो जो Z यानी इंपेडेंस की वैल्यू होगी वो एग्जैक्टली बराबर होगी कैपेसिटिव की रिएक्टेंस के बराबर. कैपेसिटर की रिएक्टेंस होती है 1 अपॉन ओमेगा सी. ओमेगा को अगर हम निकालना चाहें तो कंपेयर कर सकते हैं जनरलाइज्ड इक्वेशन से, 100 इक्वल्स टू ओमेगा, ओमेगा पुट करेंगे, सी को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे इनटू फेरड, 1 माइक्रोफेरड इज इक्वल टू 1 टू 10⁻⁻6 फेरड्स। इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, 10⁻⁴ आता है, ये हमारा इम्पिडेंस हो जाएगी इस सर्किट के लिए। फिर हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे वीआरएमएस। वीआरएमएस के लिए हमें कंपैरिजन के बाद पता लगता है कि जो पीक एम्पलीट्यूड है, मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड है वेवफॉर्म का, वो 282 है, और अगर हम आरएमएस वैल्यू की बात करें तो बराबर होती है पीक वैल्यू अपॉन √2। √2 की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है इसको प्रॉब्लम में 1.41, वो हम यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो ये निकल के आएगा एक्सप्रेशन हमारा 282/1.41। आईआरएमएस की इक्वेशन में हम दोनों वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे, वीआरएमएस एज वेल एज जेड, तो जिससे हमारा फाइनल आंसर आता है 20 मिली एम्पियर, जो कि ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट है। सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, 20 मिली एम्पियर। So hope you understand the explanation. Thank you.